Good morning, second grade. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. Today we are going to get started reading our informational text for the week. Like I mentioned before, you have two texts you'll be reading this week. We'll read one today and one tomorrow. But before we begin, we're going to take a look at this anchor chart. Let's go ahead and turn in our student interactive to page 513. So this anchor chart is all about informational text. And remember last week you read an informational text about landforms. This week, you'll be reading, like I mentioned before, two texts. The first one that you'll read today is called How Water Shapes the Earth, and the one that you'll read tomorrow is all about how earthquakes shape the earth. And so you'll be comparing them and contrasting them. You'll be thinking about how these texts are similar and how they're different. But let's go ahead and take a deeper look at this anchor chart. So the purpose of an informational text is to inform. That's where that word informational comes from. The root word or the base word is inform. And to inform means to give facts or to teach something. And so I believe the anchor chart last week was all about facts and details. Those were real facts, real pieces of information. And that's what sets an informational text aside from another type of text. So if you look at this web, in the center we see things you can learn from an informational text. You can learn facts that you didn't know. You can learn new words about the topic. You can learn what you want to learn more about. So maybe if there's a topic you don't know enough about, you can go and find an informational text on it to learn more about it. And you can also learn information about things you may never see or do. And that's the amazing thing about reading, especially informational text, is that it kind of can transform you and make you feel like you're in a different place or a different time to learn about information. So I'd like you to go ahead and turn to page 514. We are going to take a look at some vocabulary words. Your words for the week are flows, disasters, and ruin. And so flows means to move along slowly. Chances are this word is going to be used to describe some of the water that has shaped the earth over time. Disasters are events that cause great damage. They can even cause loss or suffering. And ruin means to destroy something or to spoil something. So make sure you're looking out for those words while you're reading. The Meet the Author about Jared, I'm going to go ahead and let you read that on your own. Turn to the next page. And I want to give you a quick reminder. I will put the audio link on MyView so you can follow along or have the text be read to you. So your job today is to go ahead and read this text. It begins on page 515. And you're going to continue reading until page 525. That's all that you have to do for today. In tomorrow's video, I'll get you started on reading the text and then comparing and contrasting and checking for some understanding. Okay, please reach out if you have any questions. I'm happy to help you. Again, your job for today is to take a look at that anchor chart, preview your vocabulary, and keep your eyes peeled on it, on those words or for those words, while you're reading How Water Shapes the Earth. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.